Okay, what is this? The second Kithmaze. We have another maze. I remember doing all of this before. I'm not sure what we need the pet for, but
Move right.
remember, you only need one while true loop. It will repeat. So looks like we need to escape the maze in under 6 statements.
Move right. Move right.
Why are they chasing the puppy? So we have up, right, down, right, up, right, down. Okay. Get down. Okay. So right, up, right, down, right, up, right, down. Up, right, down, right, up, right. Okay, I think I need another right. Type 3 more move. Oh, that's in the same thing. Okay, so it's right, up, right, down, right, up, right, down. Okay, that should be fine.
Move right. Move right. Move up. Move right. Move down. Move right. Move up.
What is happening
Move
at
right.
the bottom of this maze?
Move down. Move right. Move up. Move right.
What are y'all doing to my wolf?
Move down. Move right.
So we got that done in 4 statements. Yay!